to log into Noom account step by step. So in here, I highly recommend you guys use the application for this, or else you can even use the web version of it, but I don't think you will get the full access of your account if you use the web version of it. So you can get to your App Store or Play Store and download the Noom application. Or you can simply get into your browser and simply search for Noom login and tap on the first link that you will be able to see it just like this. And then from there, now you'll be able to get into your sign-in page where you'll need to add in your email address and the password of your Noom account. So after doing that, you can now simply tap on login, and just like that, you will successfully be logged into your Noom account. So yeah, that's all you need to do. In case if you have forgotten any of those credentials like your email or password, you can simply tap on forgot your email or forgot your password and go along with the process of how you can recover it too. And you can come back to your login page, add in your new credentials, and then you can tap on login, and like that you'll be able to log into your Noom account. So yeah, that is it.